Welcome to Merigiri online classes. Today we are going to study about the layers of atmosphere. The different layers of atmosphere. Last class we have studied about the air, which are the components. The 5 layers are present in the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Once more, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. Each one we can study. We are going to study about the troposphere. Troposphere is the first layer of the Earth's surface. What is the function of the troposphere? Changes in the weather occur in this layer. Mainly, changes in the weather occurs in the troposphere. Coming to the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer and aircrafts generally fly in this layer. Aircrafts are generally fly in this layer. Ozone gas is present in this layer. Ozone absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The rays can cause even cancer. Many of the diseases are caused by these harmful rays. So it is prevented by this stratosphere. Then coming to the third layer, that is mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer and small rocks moving about in the space burn out in this layer and therefore do not reach the surface of the earth. Therefore, they cannot reach the surface of the earth, the mesosphere. Small rocks or meteors are moving around it in the mesosphere. The next layer is that thermosphere. In the thermosphere is the fourth layer and the space shuttles move around this layer. Then the last one, exosphere, that is the fifth layer present in the atmosphere. These are about the different layers of the atmosphere. Coming to the major components of the air. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases are present in the atmosphere. Each one percentage also we can study. In the atmosphere, 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Then 1% other gases, argon, carbon dioxide, helium and are the other gases present in the atmosphere. So 78% of nitrogen is present. Then first we can study about the oxygen. 21% of oxygen present in the atmosphere and it is helping for the survival of all the living beings. Without the oxygen, no living being cannot survive. So for breathing, oxygen is needed. Not only that, oxygen is helping for burning process. Then coming to the nitrogen. Living beings do not use nitrogen directly from the air. Nitrogen we cannot use directly. But the nitrogen should be converted in the form of a nitrate. Then the plants are using. Plants get this nitrogen with the help of a bacteria present in the soil. That process is known as nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is added to the soil by the chemical fertilizers, and animals get this nitrogen from the plants, then meat and fish. How the nitrogen get to the animals? From the plants, meat and fish. Nitrogen we cannot use directly to the plants. So it will converted in the form of a nitrate by the bacteria present in the soil. And the nitrogen is directly getting to the soil by lightning time also, during lightning. Okay. Then coming to the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an important gas for plants. For preparing food, plants need carbon dioxide gas. Help of the carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, plants are preparing food for the That process is known as photosynthesis. Plants preparing food by the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. That process is known as photosynthesis. The other gases are argon, ozone, neon, helium, etc. Argon is used in the electric bulbs, the different colors. You can see the LED bulbs are. In that they are using argon. More detail about the gases present in the atmosphere we can study in our live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.